Can you tell one go-to person for you inside Gravy? Like you would reach out to him for like anything and everything, and he has a solution for like every single problem.
So I think I don't need to think much for it. Rohit Sood, my mentor.
Whenever I have any doubt, I directly go to Shahbaz, and he's like the best one to answer because उनके पास critics भी होते हैं और best friends वाले opinions भी होते
The person, I mean, who always lights up your day is Abhinav. I think उनसे आप कितनी भी बगैर कर सकते हो. I mean, if you're upset and Abhinav is around you, I guarantee आप 5 मिनट में एकदम happy हो जाओगे.
अनमोल. सो अभी ऐसा है कि कुछ भी हो, चाहे ऑफिस में कुछ हो रहा है या फिर पर्सनल लाइफ में, तो ही इज़ द वन जिसको मैं हमेशा कॉल करती हूँ, अनमोल ही हो गया, इधर आ जा.
Aman was the go-to person. Each and every time I faced a problem, he's always there to help me. Even though like he has too much on his plate, but I have never heard a no from his side.
My manager, Rohit Jaswal. Actually, whenever I feel like there is a trouble at my place as well, or something personal is going through and I cannot focus on my work, so I just go to him and explain whatever is going on in my mind.
Undoubtedly, there's only one go-to person that I have here inside Gravy, and he's Shahbaz. I think that मुझे लगता है कि जिन एरियाज में उनका नहीं भी होगा एक्सपर्टीज, I'll still go to him because I know that he has an answer for me. So he's like the bindas go-to person for me personally and professionally both.
So one is like my first mentor, Prasun. So he's like, even though I'm not working currently with him, but whenever I come across a situation that I cannot share with any other or any senior person, so I need guidance from someone, so I go to him.
Vipin and Nitin, because they are my mentor and team leader, but there's this certain comfort when both of them are there, because it there just is like I have this comfort that okay, if I mess up something, they're there and they'll take care of it.
Anmol sir, Gaurav Nima. These two. So Gaurav Nima is like my little brother. इसको काट देना काटना वाला.
Harman, Gaurav Dhiman, so they are also my go-to persons.
Okay, for this, I would like to mention Adesh's name. As he was my first mentor when I joined Gravy, and he's the person who I can easily go to, and even in managing, even in projects. It's Rohit Sood. आते जाते जैसे कभी हो गया कि हाँ ये क्या है, ये हो रहा है, तू मोटी हो रही है, मैं बोलूँगी तू मोटा हो रहा है, तेरी शादी हो रही है, तेरी शादी हो रही है.
People recently have known that I love bhindi. So Anupam always, whenever he gets bhindi, he'll actually come to my desk from the sales cabin and he'll tell me, Ashi, I've got bhindi for lunch. I'm like, okay, I'll come out in some time.
I think Prasun is one person. Like initially when I joined, I used to be very scared of him. बहुत डर लगता था. फिर with time, I developed a bond that he's the one person with. He's the first person to whom I'll report if I'm facing a problem in like my personal or my professional connect.
उज्जवल है, मेरा बूट्स है, तो फिर साथ में बैठता है, तो वो मुझे चिल करता रहता है और कराता है.
There's Ganesh, who always make fun and make the mood lighter for the team.
I guess the whole team as a whole, not getting really biased, but yeah, like for finding a flat, Muzammil went along with me multiple days. Also Rajneesh, yeah, he was of so much help.
मतलब जैसे जब भी मैं घर जा रही होती हूँ या जैसे मैं कैब का वेट कर रही होती हूँ, कई बार मैं अकेले भी जा रही होती हूँ, और जैसे गौरव कभी भी जा रहे होते हैं तो वो हमेशा वेट करते जब तक मेरी कैब नहीं आती. आई मीन ही कैन जस्ट लीव राइट. एंड ये सब बहुत छोटी छोटी चीज़ें हैं और ऐसा लगता है कि ठीक है ये बेसिक है, बट इट्स जस्ट दीज थिंग्स स्टे विथ यू, यू नोटिस ऑल ऑफ दीज थिंग्स, एंड आई थिंक दैट्स वेरी स्वीट.
सुशांत कथूरिया वॉज वर्किंग विद मी, तो उस टाइम पे ऐसे था कि 2 या 3 महीने ना हम रेगुलरली 10-11 बजे से जाते थे ऑफिस से, एंड सुशांत मेड श्योर कि हर बार वो ही मुझे घर ड्रॉप करे. कई बार ऐसा होता था कि मेरा घर उधर है मोहाली के कोने में और उसका घर बिल्कुल ही उधर है, उसके पास गाड़ी नहीं होती थी, फिर वो कैब में मेरे साथ जाता था, घर ड्रॉप करके फिर अपनी कैब करके जाता था.
हमारे पास जब मैं शिफ्ट कर रही थी, आई एक्चुअली वॉज टेकिंग माई 2 लगेज एट अ टाइम फ्रॉम स्कूटी, और वो इतना डिफ़िकल्ट हो रहा था मेरे लिए. देन अरिंदम एंड सुखा रियली हेल्प मी आउट, और मुझे वो उस वक्त भगवान लगे थे लिटरली, कि मतलब इतनी हेल्प कर दी थी उन्होंने, बस मैं उनके चरण छू सकती थी.
Sahil, who joined us recently, he also like whenever there is any situation, he just make fun of that.
Okay, I think I remember one instance of annual meet in last year.
So we went for that rafting activity. I was not ready to go to water inside. Like the man was saying that we need to go outside of that boat and we had to go in water. I was not ready for that. But Adesh said, कुछ भी होगा ना मैं बचा लूँगा, बस तुम जाओ एक बार, कुछ नहीं होगा, बहुत मज़ा आएगा. And I think I did not know what support that statement gave me at that time. I just went and it was so amazing experience after that. So I think I wanted to thank him for that.
Earlier it was like कि कभी भी ऐसे लेट स्टे होता था तो कोई भी लड़का आता था तो हर एक के ऐसे मतलब इतनी टेंशन होती थी ना कि लड़की बैठे तो उसको घर ड्रॉप करके आना एंड एवरीथिंग लाइक दैट. तो इसकी जो स्टार्टिंग हुई इट वाज फ्रॉम दीपक सियाल. सो आई ज्वाइंड इन 2012 एंड एक रात मतलब ऐसे शाम को मैं बस से जाती थी घर एंड दीपक तब वहीं पे होते थे एंड ही स्टिल यूज टू ड्राइव द सेम सेंट्रो. तो दीपक ने ऐसे मैं बाहर खड़ी थी ना वेट के लिए ऑटो के एंड दीपक केम कि हाँ तुम यहाँ पे क्यों खड़े हो, ये है वो है. तो मैंने बोला कि मुझे जाना है. ही सेड कि चलो मैं तुम्हें ड्रॉप करता था. बस लाइक कि हाँ वो कंपनी का CEO मुझे ड्रॉप करेगा घर जाके. बट इट वाज मतलब आई वाज वेरी मतलब हैप्पी कि हाँ ही इतनी ज़्यादा ध्यान रखते हैं वो लड़कियों. दिस इज़ लाइक जो मेरे ऐसे दिल में रहेगा.
एक बार मैं जा रही थी, यहीं पे मेरी एक्टिवा बंद होगी तो मैंने ऑफिस में कॉल किया. फिर सार्थक आया उसने मेरी एक्टिवा को से टांग लगा के पुश करके फ्लैट तक छुड़वा के आया. और मेरी एक्टिवा कभी भी बंद होती है तो गौरव हो गया बेचारा, वो हमेशा ही लगा रहता है. तो वो मेरा मतलब प्राइमरी एक्टिवा सर्विस गाय है.
So yeah, I'm mentioning somebody who's present in this room. So yeah, somebody who's behind this camera, Deepak Kumar. Right from Rishikesh to now, I think I've seen that side of you where you've missed a lot of fun things to actually be on the other side of the camera and capture the fun moments of people and give them a memory for a lifetime. Give them like some swag for their Instagram, for their Facebook, for their WhatsApp display pictures. Make them famous through the videos, just like that. And being so patient as you are, and right now also taking so many takes here, multiple takes for multiple people, and now still you have 2 videos to shoot more. So hats off.
Anything
else you'd like to share in general?
In general, I would like to thank all the men in Gravy.
Oh, that's like
that's basic, but I think because we never say thank you to any one of them even. So I think I would like to thank all of them, and apart from that, keep up the spirit that you have, and happy Men's Day.
In Gravy, I see each and every person is caring, helpful, especially men.
I just like to say one thing, that you are there, so we are like a full. Because of you, we have a lot of fun all together. Even when I like make faces if anybody teases me, but I enjoy that. And you actually give a lot of special attention to all of us. So yeah, thank you.
इस वीडियो की सभी बातें काल्पनिक हैं और इसका वास्तविकता से कोई संबंध नहीं है. Oops, just jokes apart. I wish you a very happy Men's Day to all the real superheroes that we have at Gravy.